Hello, this is Steve George with Qlik's Gold Client team. In this short video, I want to provide some instructions on how to save the Gold Client configuration to file. The primary reasons for taking this action is to copy the config from one environment to another, or to save it off and then restore it after a system refresh. This video's agenda will consist of these items: a brief overview, how-to content, and available resources. A challenge for some users is not knowing how to copy the config, or perhaps there is confusion because there are multiple ways to copy it. But this video will focus only on using Qlik's recommendation, which is to use the JSON solution. Go to the Gold Client dashboard and select the Configuration button. On the next screen, open the Config Copy Tools folder and then select the Config Download Upload JSON executable. On the next screen, use the default download setting. Select a suitable path and file name for storing the file. Be aware that this field can only store 120 characters, and so it is suggested that you save the file in a higher level directory. Click the Execute button to initiate the download. This process should last no more than a minute. When done, an output will appear showing the table names, record counts, and statuses. Let's assume you now need to import the configuration. Select the upload setting. The screen changes and presents two new settings for update instructions. The default setting is named Delete All Recs, then Insert, which should result in a synchronized copy of the config. If the Insert New Modify Existing setting is selected, this should result in only deltas being performed. Use the default setting unless your organization has configuration unique to that environment, which must remain after import. Input the respective path and file name that was saved during the download. Click the Execute button to initiate the upload. This process should last no more than a minute. When done, an output will appear showing the table names, record counts, and statuses. At this point, the config has either been copied successfully into another environment or has been restored accordingly. Please reference the Configuration and Utilities User Guide for additional important content, and if further support is required, a support case can be submitted. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a great day.